What up, YouTube? Snot Juice coming back from Twins Fest. I'm going to show off some of the stuff that I got. On my way home, I stopped at Southridge Liquors and met Sevens, Michael, bought some the better stuff from him, some booze, so thank you. Cheers. Anyways, let's see where to start. I got a couple signed baseballs, Brian Dozier and Chris Hermanson. Those are Twins baseballs. And then I got my PC, Alex Wimmers, signed it really nice, Major League Baseball. So that's cool. Some other autos. I got a 1-of-1 printing plate. I had him signed another card for me. Aaron Hicks. Really good Twins prospect. Got that, and then I also got an 8x10. So that was cool. Brian Dozier, another good Twins prospect. I got 8x10 signed to him. He did one of the cheaper Minnesota Twins baseballs. And let's see who else I got. Chris Hermanson, one of the Twins baseballs. For cards, I made a mistake and I brought Bowman Chrome cards to get autoed. Brian Dozier, he actually had a good Sharpie, so his worked out pretty well. But like Chris Hermanson, you can't even see the auto that he signed. You can't really tell. That's only kind of little. Cole Nelson, another Twins rookie. Let's see, I picked up minor league Alex Wimmers I didn't have. I got the Twins mascot auto. And now I got a couple packages. First one is off of eBay from Baseball, I think it was 801. He used to do like some pro debut breaks and stuff. I got the Sevens flap. Got another printing plate of Alex Wimmers, 101. This one's out of pro debut. So that's cool. Thanks a lot. And I got a package from Check Out My Cards. Should be another Twins PC card. Oop. I can't show the top card. That's actually going to one of my winners of my fantasy football league, so that'll be out soon. Let's throw that over there. I got a Danny Valencia patch auto. The only other thing I got is on the way home, I stopped at Walmart and picked up a value box. If you don't want to see boring stuff open, you can stop the video now. Maybe I'll hit something decent. Diamond code. And crap. Actually, on Blowout Forums, they've had some pretty nice stuff come out of this value box. Out of the chrome. I got a gold. Joe Peralta. And a sparkly one. Mike Trout rookie. So I guess that pack was okay. Let's see, what a good Brad Hand. Francisco Rodriguez, nothing special. And another diamond code. That makes 3 of them. Johnny Mize mini. That one wasn't too bad. Here, let's see. Eric Hosner, D. Gordon. And for the chrome pack, If I can get something out of here. Nope. Oh, I got, nope, nothing. Let's see. Bunch of nothing. Anyways, the last thing I wanted to show off is I'm almost got my rainbow complete of Alex Wimmer's Bowman Chrome rookie cards. You go from the super to the orange auto. I'm missing the red. That goes right in between these. The super, the orange, the gold, the blue, the refractor, and the base autos. So they only made 5 of the golds. And I know where 2 of them are right now, but they want too much for them. So, I mean, 5 of the reds. There's one on Blowout, the guy's trying to sell, and there's one on eBay, guy wants $300 for. The one on Blowout wants 200, so I'll wait till they come down a little bit. But anyways, that's all I got. Beautiful rainbow. Peace out.